The English language, as we know it today, has been developing since the 5th century AD. Modern English, the form of the language which we use today, is the most widely spoken language in the world, considering both native and non-native speakers. It is the de facto lingua franca of the world. So here on our YouTube channel, we try to understand how this very important language is spoken, written, and understood by its users. We will start our journey with something rather common, the words there and there. Despite being among the most commonly used words, they are often mistaken. Part of the reason is that they have the same pronunciation but different meanings, and such a set of two or more words is called homophones. In spoken English, as we can expect, the meaning is pretty clear by the context of the sentence. It's only when we write do we have to be really careful. The first is spelled with an EIR and the second with an ERE. So what is the difference between the two and how do we ensure correct usage each time? There is most commonly used as a possessive case of the word they, which means that it shows ownership. Let's look at a few examples. Their dog was really cute. They usually spend their weekends together. There is most commonly used as an adverb or a pronoun. As an adverb, its usage is fairly simple. It means in or at that place. Now let's look at a few examples. She went there yesterday with her friends. I love going there over the weekends. In its pronoun form, it's used to introduce the subject of a sentence or a clause. Here are a few examples. There is no doubt we will get over it. There are a lot of people in the stadium. The distinction between the two words is hopefully clear by now. There are a few helpful ways to remember these. For there with an EIR, one way is to derive the word heir by removing the alphabet D. It refers to a person legally entitled to the property of another on that person's death. This denotes ownership or possession. Another little test is to replace there with are. If the resulting sentence still makes sense, then the usage is most probably correct. The way to remember the correct usage for there with an ERE is simpler. We remove the letter T and we're left with here. There and here, here and there. Here would refer to this place and there would refer to that place, and hence an easy way to remember it. To conclude, here is a sentence to test what we have learned in the video. Let us know in the comments below what the correct answers are. Thank you.